Are you a busy professional looking to diversify your portfolio? Ever wanted to passively invest in real estate but don't know where to start? John Fortes provides you with a guide to passively invest in real estate. This is the Passive Investor Show.
And now, the Passive Investor Show. Here's your host, John Fortes.
Hello, PI listeners. Thank you for lending me your time today. Welcome to the Passive Investor Show. I'm John Fortes. Our goal is to provide you, the busy professional, with passive investing tips and tricks for your real estate investments to leverage more time for you to focus on your true passions. Let's get to work. What's going on, PI listeners? Grateful to be here. And I have a great one for you guys. When new investors start getting into the weeds and start underwriting and looking further within the underwriting of the actual properties and of these multifamily syndications, I have three common mistakes that people tend to come across when they're underwriting, and I'll follow that up with a few bonus ones as well. So the first rule of underwriting is when people take rules of thumb for gospel. Sometimes a rule of thumb is just there to show you as an example. And when you actually have to go out and learn the market and compensate for what that market makes. So you can't use, I'll just use a flat number here, like 250 per unit. You can't take that to every market. Some markets are going to be 500, some markets are going to be 350, some markets are going to be 400, and so on and so on. So that's one mistake with the rule of thumb. Don't take it as gospel. Then you have taxes and insurance, which are your biggest expenses as operating the asset. Now, they are going to go up every year. And insurance in some cases will go up by 35% when you're taking it over. But with taxes, you want to make sure you're reaching out to the proper tax assessment. The tax assessors in the county, in the MSA, or wherever it is, because taxes have probably gone up faster now than they previously had in the past. So what I mean by that is, let's jump back about 20, 30 years ago. Tax wasn't assessed as heavily as it is now. So so reach out to your tax assessor and know that how much your actual number is going to be. Don't guess at it, or don't take from, if you're going to underwrite your own deal, don't take the current OM's number as the right number. You want to reach out. And then insurance, you want to get a quote. And the last mistake that I come across is getting a better understanding of RUBs and knowing that your market is going to allow for the RUB. Not every market allows for it. Some markets offer a cap of RUBs, maybe let's just say 80% to 90%, that you can bill back to the tenant. So just remember, you are paying up front and recouping it later through the tenants with the bill back. Outside of that, those are my three biggest mistakes when it comes to underwriting. And the last one I'll leave you with is, in your reserves, in your CapEx budget, it should be equal to 1 month's net income per unit. So that's another little tip I'll leave you with. Outside of that, if you have any questions or concerns about your underwriting, if you're underwriting for a personal to add to your personal portfolio? Or are you just looking to get a better understanding? Use these little nuggets here to avoid mistakes that if you're using rule of thumbs, for instance, maybe you're using a 250 rule of thumb and the market's saying it's 500, you're going to be in the red, or your returns are not going to be exactly where you thought they would be. Ladies and gentlemen, thank you for following along. Please go and like and subscribe. Share it with a friend. If you got anything out of this, pass it along. That's how we grow. And I truly appreciate it if you could spread the word. PI listeners, I'm grateful for your time and I appreciate you for listening. For more information, go to passiveinvestorshow.com. If any of this resonates with you, please subscribe and leave a review. The more you know, the more we grow. Thank you for tuning in. Till next time. A lot of investors I partner with have one major challenge. They are busy professionals that love to create memories with their families, but are too busy to actively look and find value-add real estate that cash flows. Hey guys, I'm John Fortes, and I want to partner with you. I provide investment opportunities through apartment syndications that allow my partners to invest passively so they don't have to worry about trading more time for money. If you are interested in creating passive streams of income, wealth creation, and all the tax benefits that come along with investing through real estate, I encourage you to fill out the form at www.investwithfortes.com. Invest today so that tomorrow you can trade money for time. Once again, that's www.investwithfortes.com. And I can't wait to partner with you.